Hi DeeperNauts, so this video is all about the Solana DPR bridge. It's a complete guide on how to do it, including Polkadot and Phantom Wallet and stuff. Now it's at your own risk because obviously the migration, at the time of recording this, the migration isn't finished. So bear that in mind, okay? I've been told it's safe and I've been doing it for a while, but best to wait till it's all finished, but you can do it now if you like. So here's the video. Hope you like it. Alright, so the very first thing that we need to do is install the Polkadot.js extension to your Chrome-based browser. Now it can be Brave, can be Google Chrome, Opera, all of those things are Google Chrome like types. You used to have to go up to the extension store, but now you can't do that, it's not on there. If you've already done this, then obviously you can skip this part. If you've used the bridge in the past and you've already installed the Polkadot.js extension, then there's not much point doing it again because you've already got it. But this is, if you haven't used the bridge and you don't have the extension installed, this is how you do it. So just go to there and just type in Polkadot.js extension, and then the first link, polkadot.js.org. Go on to that, and we're going to download for either Chrome or Firefox. So you can use either one. I would prefer to use a Chrome based one because I'm using Chrome. So we'll click on download for Chrome. Oh, and there it is, Chrome Web Store, so it is actually around. And then go to add to Chrome. It'll say, do you want to add the extension? Go yes, add extension. And then not really much point adding sync or turn on sync. Okay, so that extension is installed. So if we go up to extensions, you've got Polkadot.js extension. Click on that and you get this welcome page. Alright, so click on understand, let me continue, and then we need to add an account. So click on that. Okay, so create a new account and you get these 12 keywords. Alright, so I have saved my mnemonic words. Go on next step and then a word for your account. So main can be the first one, password can be whatever. Okay, and then add the account with the generated seed. And now we have our first account, our main account, okay? Now we need to add the device that was going to have the DPR that we need to move it from, okay? So if you have a mini at home, okay, and you have 10,000 DPR on that mini that you want to cash out, you want to move it from the deeper chain DPR to Solana chain DPR, you need to come up here, go to import account from pre-existing seed, okay, and then you need to paste in your memory words or your key. So I'm going to paste that in. Okay, we're going to say it can be used on any chain because the Deeper network isn't in this for some reason. Allow use on any chain, and then go on to next. Descriptive name can be home mini. Password can be the password you want, and then add the account with the supplied key. So now we have two different ones, okay? The main, which is nothing, you can ignore that, and then home mini. Okay, so that is the Polkadot.js extension installed. Congratulations, that's a big part of it done. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is add the Phantom Wallet extension as well. So go up to extensions, manage extensions, Chrome Web Store, and we need to search for the Phantom Wallet. Phantom Wallet. Search. So there you go, so Phantom, it's verified, phantom.app. That's the one you want. And it's got 4 million people using it. Fantastic. So we're going to go add to Chrome, add extension, and then we need to either import an existing wallet that we already have, which we've already created with Phantom Wallet in the past, or we create a new wallet. So let's create a new wallet. We'll put a password in. That'll be to unlock your wallet on your computer. Agree to the terms and go on to continue. And then you have your secret recovery phrase. Alright, so these are the words. You need to write them down. So I have saved them. I'll just screenshot them in case I need them for the next part of the video. I'm all done. Okay, so get started. Okay, so now we have Phantom Wallet and we have the Polkadot.js extension. We'll pin those. And now we are ready to bridge our DPR over. So let's crack on with that. Okay, so welcome back to part 3. Now we have Google Chrome here and we have our 2 extensions. So just a quick refresh. I know we've just done it. Phantom Wallet, you have Phantom Wallet, which is a crypto wallet for the Solana chain and a couple of other things as well. And you've got Solana, Ethereum, Polygon and Bitcoin, and there's nothing in it. There's no tokens or anything. So we've got Solana there. Okay. We also have the Polkadot extension and we've added our device when it loads. There you go. And we've added our device that holds the DPR which we need to transfer out. Okay, so we've moved all of our DPR to that one device, or if it's our own or only device that we have, obviously that's the only one we'll have. Alrighty. So now let's go to the bridge. So the link for the bridge is going to be in the description below, but that is the address. And you can see here, it says DPR Solana bridge, and you get this that comes up. So this is an account connection request. Now this is the only one that is an actual device. That one we just made up, but this one is the one that has our DPR, so we're going to connect this. So just click the little tick box and then go to connect one account. And then Phantom Wallet opens up and says it wants to connect to the account as well, because both things use that account. So Phantom Wallet receives the DPR and the Polkadot.js extension basically sends the DPR over and does all the bridging. So we'll go to connect. So we now have this. So the DPR Solana bridge, we're going from, so the origin chain is Deeper chain and it's going to Solana. You can swap that around by clicking that middle thing there. And the Deeper chain address. Now the Deeper chain address is the device that holds your DPR on the Deeper chain. Okay, so when you log in and you go to your wallet management page, this is the address which you're going to use. And if the address is wrong, if you have the incorrect device listed here, then you need to add it to your Polkadot.js extension as well if you have more than one device. But you can see there it says that the balance is 15,232 DPR. And this is the address that it's going to go to. So you can see MZZX blah blah blah. That is the Phantom Wallet address. So if we click on there, you can see MZZX UOH. MZZX UOH. And there's nothing in there at the moment. And we're going to send 10,000 DPR over. So from the Deeper chain to Solana. And here we have the burn percentage. Now there's a cap of 600,000 DPR per session. So each day, sorry. So there's a 300,000 DPR cap every 12 hours. That's 600,000 DPR. That can be transferred out every day, every 24 hours. If the queue is full, you're going to have this. Now this is a burn percentage, and you can change it by clicking change. And you can see on here, there's nobody in the queue at the moment because the Solana migration isn't finished. So people aren't bridging over. But I thought I'd get this video done like now. So it's ready. So we don't have to put any burn percentage in because there's nobody else in the queue. It won't go anywhere near that 300,000 DPR. So that will be successful. All right. However, let's say we go down and this is all full. You know, the 300,000 DPR has been used up. There's now like a scoreboard. And what will happen is you have to burn DPR to go up the scoreboard. So let's say it's full and then you put 1% burn. Okay. Well, but no, let's say it's full and you put a 10% burn in. So instead of cashing out 10,000 DPR, right, we'll put that to 10%. And you've got to sign for it as well. So we'll sign for that. Okay, so the burn percentage is 10%. So we will receive 10,000 DPR, but from our Deeper chain wallet, so on our device, it will burn and basically write off 1,000 DPR. So we'll get 10,000. Deeper Network will get rid of 1,000. So the total cost will be 11,000 DPR. Okay, and then you hit transfer, and then it goes through, and then you end up here at the bottom. So because there's nobody in the queue, I'm going to change that back to nothing because I don't want to throw away 1,000 DPR for no reason. I'll just sign for it. Okay, so I'm going to cash out 10,000 DPR. I'm not going to burn anything to get it out, and my total is going to be 10,000 DPR. Okay, hit transfer, and you're going to get this Polkadot.js extension thingy come up. So just put your password in to approve it on that side, and then you will get a box that just says congratulations, it's done. So we'll give it a minute. There you go, submission successful, please check the record later. Okay, so that is it. So at midnight, so 12 o'clock and 12 o'clock UTC, everything will then get transferred over. Okay, so you can see my transactions. So you've got Deeper chain pending, don't know what that means. You can see that I've transferred a fair bit over already. Okay, but this is the brand new one. So the 22nd of the 7th, from my Deeper device to my Phantom wallet, I'm going to receive 10,000. I'm not going to burn anything, and the total amount is 10,000. The burn percentage is nothing, and the status is nothing because it isn't working yet. So we have to basically wait now. Okay, they don't go through straight away. They go through at midnight, and well, yeah, that's it, at midnight. So in the UK, that'll be 1 o'clock in the afternoon and 1 o'clock in the morning. So if you put it in at, say, 7 o'clock in the morning, you'll have to wait, like, I don't know, 6 hours or something to wait for it to hit that. And then it'll all go through according to the leaderboard on here. But yeah, so that is basically it for that. And the last part is about how we actually receive it. Okay, so this is the final part. Now I'll admit I've cheated a little bit. I'm not waiting for the transaction to go through because I want to get this video done. But let's say it was successful. When you go down here, this will say successful, and that will be it. And if you go to my transactions, it will say success here. Okay. Now all you have to do is go into Phantom Wallet. And don't be shocked when it says nothing. Okay, the reason why it says nothing is because the migration is still ongoing. So the liquidity hasn't transferred over, but when this is all officially released and the migration's finished, then obviously this will show you an amount. But don't panic. If we scroll down, you can see we have Deeper Network here. Okay, 10,000 DPR, and that is on the Solana chain. So DPR Solana, really cool. Okay, and that is what you'll see. You don't have to import the token. You don't have to put in the contract address or anything. It will just show up. Okay, it'll just go to the bottom of the list, and that is it. And then from there, you can transfer it to your cold storage wallet. You can transfer it to your Deeper device as part of their crypto wallet, which is where I store mine. You can also store it on the exchange if you're going to sell soon. I wouldn't recommend keeping it on the exchange long term, just in case it goes down and you lose it. But yeah, so there is 10,000 DPR, and that will just appear. Okay, so you don't need to add that in. That will just show up. You don't have to add the token itself. If anybody says you do, they're lying to you. But Phantom Wallet is pretty good. Be very, very careful of airdrops, okay? If you get NFTs saying you're going to get a free airdrop of so many tokens, do not open it, because it will eventually, it will just rinse everything in the actual account, okay? So be very, very careful of that. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching this guide video. It's pretty straightforward. It's very similar to the previous kind of bridging guides, and hopefully the liquidity is transferred over by the time you see it, and this is worth a lot of money, and you'll be happy with how much is coming out. So thank you very much for watching the video. Take care of yourself, and thank you very much. Okay, bye bye.